What's up guys, today we are looking at these. It's 100-piece ear thermometer probe. These are the covers that you'll find on fits all braun thermoscan devices, and I have one right here. This is the one that I did a review on a while back. Alright, let's open it up. Okay, it comes in packs of 20, like so, and they're all marked with this black color there. Open here. All of them. So they come out like this. There's this white cover on the top one just to protect it. So, whoops. They look like traffic cones. So let me just open up this, and does it fit? They're a nuisance. It seems to fit. The plastic's a bit flimsy. Just gonna measure my hand. I'm 34.9 degrees. I am erroring at 35. Do here. Why does it keep erroring out? 35.6. Yeah, so it seems to do the job. These covers, I'm just going to compare it to the original one. They look like copies, but this material around here is a lot stiffer, looks more sturdy. This one, it's flimsy, but it's the same shape. Oh, it looks more, yeah, the one on the left is definitely made out of cheaper plastic material, but it's, you know, it's a use once, throw away, and I have 100 of them now, so it's not a problem. They look, yeah, they fit this one, which is the braun thermoscan. So, you know, some people were saying that didn't fit their thermometers. Yep, you can find Amazon links in the description below. I bought this for about 4 or 5 euros during the Amazon Prime Day, and yeah, it works. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.